We got time on our side. We're in a state of home. I need you on my fire. I want you to know.
Just give you a tour of the marina.
You're away. I long for you so much I can find my way.
As you can see, plenty of boats.
Everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time.
And this is Audrey too. This is Benny. Hello, Benny.
Hello.
Hello, Joey.
Hello. What's this? The vlog. The vlog. It's a 360 camera in it. Let's see what
Oh, he's vlogging.
Yeah.
He's vlogging.
See what that little devil's doing there. Obviously on that.
This is Harps. Say hello, Harps. Hi.
That was enthusiastic.
What's that for?
Come on.
Yeah, for what?
What do you mean what for? Come down here, this is a single cabin with Ben's rubbish everywhere. Bit tight, but he's alright, he's 6 foot, he can deal with that. And then this is Joe and Harper's bedroom. As you can see, another tip. Come down in the starboard hull, and this is Skipper's bedroom. No sheets because it was warm last night. Come through here. This is the bathroom. Shower area. Loo.
We didn't introduce ourselves very well, did we?
No, you didn't. Introduce yourself, Ben.
No, do it again. Do the video again.
No. Come on.
You can't have that on now.
Of course you can. Introduce yourself, Joe.
Hello, my name's Joe, and we're going to be sailing the Audrey 2 today.
That's fantastic.
I'd be shit on telling you.
Hey, don't swear on camera.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of home.
I suppose I better introduce myself. I'm Clive Jackson, shareholder in Audrey 2, with a competent crew. Yeah, incompetent.
We got everything here.
Not a bad spot, it's worst places in the world.
And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong?
Benito 5 setting off. That's the boat we actually trained on, and we're doing our day skipper.
The line and the truth.